In an effort to diversify and improve the dietary needs of Kenyan households, the Kenya Crop and Dairy Market System has been working with more than 30,000 farmers from the eastern and western regions of Kenya by promoting them to practice nutritional agriculture. Now, this is an approach that puts nutritionally rich foods at the forefront of overcoming food and nutritional insecurity. Paul Thiongo with more.
Farmers often must make difficult choices between what they consume and what they sell. Though they may grow nutritious crops and raise livestock, many of them sell most of what they produce with little or nothing left for household consumption.
We are working through various private sector partners, including civil society organizations like ADS, Anglican Development Services, Eastern, but also ADS, Western. So these two partners are reaching out to 30,000 households, and we are promoting dietary diversity through food security, but also reaching out to ensure that our people are eating healthy. The main challenge has been our farmers do not have a correct diet diversity in what they consume.
Investing in nutrition-sensitive agriculture and food systems is to ensure that acceptable, diverse, nutritious and safe foods adequate to meet the dietary needs of people of all ages are available and affordable at all times.
It's not that we don't have food. It's because that they believe that they have to eat certain food for them to feel that they achieve the balance. For example, you can see that in my region they produce green grams, but they sell all of it and buy cabbage. And cabbage, if you rate in terms of nutrients that we get from the cabbage is very low as compared to the green gram.
By introducing good practices that enable year-round access to a variety of nutritious food, either by making sure producers have the resources to produce the right foods for a healthy diet, or by equipping markets to sell a variety of nutritious foods at affordable prices.
This is a food wheel, basically consists of 10 food groups. We have the cereals and the nuts, which is one food group. We have the beans and the pulses, and then we have the nuts. We have the dairy and the milk products, then we have the eggs, and then we have the meats, and then what we call the oranges. So any food that is orange in color that has beta carotene falls under this category. And then we also have the dark green leafy vegetables. So for KCDMS, we are working specifically with African leafy vegetables. So we have a lot of managu, terere, saget, and all that.
26-year-old Collins Jumba from Kakamega County, a beneficiary of the project, has been able to improve his family's dietary needs and at the same time earn a living by growing a diversity of exotic and indigenous vegetables and fruits.
Tunashikana kabisa youth wengi kwa wasichana kwa vulana ndio tuweze kupata market ya hii mboga, na tunazipanda vizuri na tunatumikianga organic. Shamba yangu ni ndogo, but I'm able to produce around 12 bags. Kipanda one type unapata ni challenge kuiuza, so mixture ndio the best. Yeah, but unaenda per kg like 50 shillings.
We employed the use of the TOT model, whereby we have groups nominating one person whom they feel can be able to train other members. Before, we had the TOTs who had been trained, and we utilized that particular opportunity to have those particular TOTs who had been trained. We just had a refresher training of the key areas that we are going to cover.
The Kenya Crops and Dairy Market System is a 5-year USAID program designed to increase agricultural production and reduce poverty and malnutrition in Kenya, and we are among the biggest exhibitors at the recently concluded Devolution Conference in Uasin Gishu County. Reporting for KTN News, I'm Paul Thiongo.
In sport,